day mate, in this tutorial, we will show you how to operate a GNSS receiver for mangrove survey. A GNSS receiver is useful for recording the geographical position, longitude and latitude of our sampling sites. Moreover, this device is also important for tracking our design plots on a particular site. If we get lost in the dense mangrove forest, we can use a GNSS receiver to save our life. Okay, let's move on to the topic. For mangrove monitoring or research in Indonesia, we commonly use a GNSS receiver to record the positional data due to its size and high accuracy. The smartphone can also utilize as a handheld GNSS receiver, but the accuracy depends on the availability of mobile networks and the performance of embedded GNSS receiver models. The method to determine the design plots for a field survey was described in the previous chapter, which is representative of all classes. In the next step, we need to input our design plots into the GNSS receiver. The design plots will be stored in the GNSS receiver as the waypoints. In this tutorial, we use Garmin GPS Map 78 to show you all of the steps to input geographic position data into the device. This procedure should be done before conducting a field survey. Firstly, press on the page button and go to Map Display page. Secondly, push and hold on the Enter button to reach a waypoint editor page. Thirdly, edit the alias name as well as the geographic location, latitude and longitude of the site plot. Finally, press on the Done button for finalizing and saving the plot in the device. Before conducting a field survey, the GNSS receiver should be calibrated. The calibration takes a couple of minutes and aims to ensure that the device works properly for tracking plots. Some features should be checked such as satellite availability, compass function, and map. This process should be done in the open space or outdoor situation to facilitate the satellite signal reception. After inputting all of the design plots into the GNSS receiver and calibrating the device, then we will track down each plot. The tracking of the plots aims to locate our design sampling plots to ensure mangrove is in the appropriate condition to be measured, and to plan our sampling route in particular time allocation. In this tutorial, we will show you how to track down a targeted plot location using a boat and walk through the mangrove forest. There are 3 steps to track down a design plot location using the GNSS receiver. Firstly, before sailing, select your intended plot. The plot name or ID is among the saved waypoint in the GNSS receiver. You can access it by pressing the Find button. Then select the waypoint icon and search for the plot name to be tracked down. Secondly, select waypoint and the Go function by pressing the Enter button so that the screen will display a map. Third, start sailing and navigate the boat toward the plot position based on GNSS map display. The fourth step, look for the nearest beach to the plot location for disembarking the researchers and measurement tools. Lastly, walk through the mangrove forest and use a combination of the compass map display to lead us to the design plot.